little biggie. Sky is the limit in this town. We taking over the city. We too high to bring us down. We gonna do what we do. We gonna do what we do. 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, meet you for 8 in the morning.
I feel the heart beneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart.
To dance off the pain, don't feel no shame, just feel the champagne.
She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me to never be alone.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down, we don't have to go out. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now, we don't have to go out.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Go low, everybody get low. Had a couple hits and a couple solos. Now I got a couple Brits and a couple mobiles. Drop past that, everybody loco. I was dropping off the man them in the polo. Now with a man them at the polo. I can make a honey give away your last rolo. And I stay show, yo, you know how it goes. But the girls like
Girls is my sons, I'm giving them milk teas. They be sweating me headbands and gym tees. Like bad knees on dirt, no whiskies. It is going down like M. Lewinsky's. Ribbons greasy up, my wrist on pink skis. Ring finger be itching on my pinky. Make them mad, huh man, I got them hating bad. Ask that money green like Jamaican flag.
Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down, we don't have to go out. Welcome to my